Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use or enable subtitles into VLC Media Player in a very simple way. What you need to do is simply select this VLC Media option over here, and then here you will get an option called subtitles. If you click on that, then there will be an option called add subtitle files. If you click on that, your Windows browser will be open. If you just click on add subtitle files, from here you can do it as well. And you can see here is your open media. So if you just simply drag or click on it, then you will get an option called view or open media. You can choose it from here as well. So what I was going to do, I was going to open a video on my YouTube. Like I'm going to select this use magnifier video over here, going to open it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Video. And if I just want to click on the right mouse button over here, then I will get an option called subtitles. If you click on the add subtitle file, Windows bar will be open, and from here, if you downloaded the subtitle file, simply select that, click on open, and it will automatically open into your VLC Media store. So this is how you can add subtitles into VLC Media Player. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.